If you've been looking for a legit guide that can teach you exactly how to buy BTC, even if you're under 18, good news, because you're in the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an exact instructional video with exact specific steps that you can use right now today in order to be buying BTC, even if you're under 18. And if you happen to be a parent and you're watching this video, let me tell you, this is going to be one of the best guides that you're ever going to follow if your kid is interested in getting into cryptocurrency, because as a lot of people know, the market has been moving more towards crypto, and there is many reasons that you already know about for your kid to be able to be buying BTC in 2023, because it is where the market is moving. And if you don't want to be left behind, then it's time to start now. But something else you're not going to want to be left behind is my videos, because on this channel, I'm dedicated to teaching you how to get literally almost anything for free. So if you want to get free products, free subscriptions, I have videos on how to get free stuff from Amazon, from Temu. I also have videos on how to get free Netflix and YouTube Premium. So if any of that sounds interesting, you're definitely going to make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, and you're going to do it within the next 5 seconds, because we're going to be ending this transition. So make sure that you go ahead and do that, and we are just going to be jumping into the rest of the video. But as always, thank you for watching. So all you guys are going to want to do, if you want to go ahead and get the exclusive method for getting BTC as a teen, all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into the description of this video and click on this Cash App referral link. What this is going to do is that this is going to take you directly to a page that is going to enable you to download the app that is going to be featured in today's video. And if you go ahead and download it with my exclusive link down below, you will get a free $5 upon sign up. And then after this, all you're going to have to do is just hit get the app, which then it's going to take you to the App Store, which then you're going to be able to download Cash App. And then after you guys install Cash App, as you can see, I am on my phone right here. What you're going to want to do is that you're going to want to navigate to the furthest left tab right here. And then as you can see, it says that I can go ahead and buy Bitcoin. However, if you register under a teen account, or if you are a parent watching, what you're going to have to do, because you're not going to be able to see this from the start, is that what you're going to want to do is that you're going to want to go to the top button right here, and then you're going to want to click on this family button, and then you're going to want to add a family account. So essentially what has to happen here is that a parent has to sign up for Cash App first. So if you're a parent, you got to make sure that you sign up for Cash App first, and then you can go ahead and sponsor an account from your kid. So basically what this is going to allow you to do is that this is going to allow you to do a lot of different things. It's going to allow you to, one, control the amount of money that your child can spend through an account. It also controls if they can buy BTC or not. And it also controls if they can do stock investing. Because if I go ahead and show you right here, you can see that you can also invest in stocks. You can also file your taxes for free on Cash App, which Cash App also provides automatic statements. So me personally, I run most of my business transactions through Cash App. So I very automatically am able to just file my taxes super easily, because I pull on my statements from my bank, and then I pull on my statements from Cash App, because I use that as my primary business spender. Because honestly, Cash App is really great. 0% transaction fees, provided it's peer-to-peer, instant peer-to-peer transaction times, as well as a free $5 upon sign up. If you have already signed up for Cash App and still want that free $5, all you got to do is that you got to click on the profile button, and you got to scroll all the way down, and then right around here it will say enter referral code. If it doesn't say enter referral code, then unfortunately you're just not eligible for this offer. But if it does, then you can go ahead and pick it up right here. But that is going to be it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as liking this video, and as well as going ahead and clicking on this video right here to go ahead and watch another, because I guarantee you it is going to be the exact solution that you've been looking for to get some free stuff online. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you have a good day.